am in game.
Me too.
There's a magazine with the extra bullets. There's it's rolling on 1 million. I don't know what that is. Hey, try this. Hold W, Alt, then W. Hold Alt, W. Over F5.
Stupid. All right, everyone, practice the Brian fire.
Is that necessary? I guess when you're over counters,
Hey, so
overhead counters.
Alt, and then Q and E.
What?
Side step. Alt, Q.
Are you northeast?
Alt and S, dude. But Alt and S.
Blind fire, right?
How do you change your handedness again? I like that.
Button 4.
Yeah, Alt S doesn't work at that point. I see only blind fire on your dominant side, I guess. Oh wait, let me pull out my other gun. Let me see how this works.
Oh shit! Play resume. That make sure you regular separate zoom. So if you press the mouse button, you switch one and one it's
Oh, look, it's zooming. Yeah.
Hey, I click on V when I have my sniper rifle out, and like little thing pops up next to bottom right or bottom left next to my icon.
That's the icon about mounting. I mean, you can mount. You mount it, it will show that you're mounted. I try mounting to the side. It's still go here and then press U. You should be able to mount to the side. Right.
Yeah, I'm like locked on it.
It makes your recoil down a lot, but it enter trickle. I like doing it over half cover. We have a sliver over half cover.
Oh, I insured the gun and it insured the magazine as well.
Yeah.
Here, don't worry.
Are you guys looting? I'm looting too.
Here, let me give you some cash, Don.
Where are you drinking water right now?
I'm drinking
here,
water.
behind you. Yeah. That was a big. What was that? It's a shotgun or something. Okay, let's just do number 3 exfil. Too spooky. Too spooky. There's a
Go,
guy
go,
over
go.
there. I don't know. I think so.
One for next one. Okay. Door open. Look through the next door.
Going in.
Check.
Steve, you got any good?